Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to find private key in Kaikas wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to tap open your Kaikas application and make sure to log into your wallet by entering your correct PIN code. Once you're signed into your wallet, you will be able to see this interface. Simply go ahead and tap on your name for your wallet at the top left, and once you click on the drop down, it'll then reveal your wallet address along with the QR code and your private key. Tap on export private key, but remember that revealing your private key to anyone will compromise your assets and put you at risk of theft. So make sure to keep your private key confidential and don't reveal them to anyone whatsoever. Tap on the export private key button in order to find your private key. But before that, you will need to enter your 6-digit PIN code for your account security, and you will then be able to see your private key on the display. Tap on the copy button at the bottom of the screen and paste in your private key in a secure location. So that is how you can easily find private key on Kaikas wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.